Today we are going to cook garlic king prawn. Let me show you the prawn we choose. 400 grams of tiger prawn, peel and devein. Actually, it doesn't matter what kind of prawn you use as long as the prawn is big enough. 7 cloves of garlic. Fresh garlic is good. If you can't find fresh garlic, minced garlic is also good. To use minced garlic, you probably need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. The spring onion is partly for garnishing. It also gives it a little bit of zangy taste. It's about 30 grams of butter. 1 white onion. I'll show you how it's done. Cut it into like a half moon shape. Two tablespoons of oil. The oil is nice and hot. Put in the onion. Once it starts smelling, the aroma comes out of the onion, you put your prawn in. When it's about half cooked, you put in your garlic. One teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of water, spring onion, gram of butter. That will give our garlic prawn nice and creamy taste. Our garlic prawn is cooked.